Hi viewers, I welcome you to my channel AS Couple. In today's video, meet these skilled workers who specialize in flawlessly repairing car seat fabrics and other textiles, making any damage virtually invisible. Join us as we dive into the world of extraordinary crafts and expertise.